So the issue for the restaurant owners as well is you have different platforms, and that's costly for you. Imagine having your HR, your marketing team, your finance team, or operations team, all collaborating in one and all reporting in one, and you're getting the data in just one application. So it's unified, it's amplified by the features that it gives you.
Employees of Mamalu's were routing manual documents for approval before the finance and accounting department can process their request. And there are issues encountered such as lost documents and delays because of the transmittal. But with Lark, our finance workflows greatly improved, helping us with online approval of payment requests, cash advances, liquidations, and reimbursement.
The story of Lark started way back when we had the first application, which had a lot of loopholes. And being an IT guy, I said, oh my God, this is not going to work. And then we had another one, and then we had another one. And then, whoops, Lark came. I said, oh no, not another one. And fortunately, I was so amazed and surprised with Lark, and I'm still amazed.
Lark has helped me with the approvals for everything the restaurant managers need on a daily basis. They just need to file it in one go. I don't need to see them anymore. Don't need to go to their restaurant. I can just approve it right away. It speeds up the whole thing. Lark has helped me be in all the restaurants without actually being in all the restaurants.
Of course, we use Lark daily in the kitchen. We use it to make constant updates with each other and so that everybody is kept aligned. I also personally use Lark to request ingredients for research and development. So every single time we try to make a new menu item for the restaurant and we don't have the ingredients in stock, I use Lark to coordinate with our purchasing department so that they can procure it immediately. It helps us make our food better, mainly because every single time that we have new menu items and we need to keep somebody aligned, especially for our branches that are pretty far away from the head office, we can instantly make training videos and then send them online so that they can read, review, and watch.
Most of the reviews are issues, right? And the issue sometimes, if you're getting a negative review and you have to do it with a sense of urgency, it creates tension. It creates miscommunication with the team. There would be a lot of anxiousness of trying to solve it in an instant, right? So you send that issue to an accountable person, and sometimes that issue gets flooded. Just the whole process is very disorganized because there's no accountable person. There won't be a sense of ownership. There's no discussion like a post evaluation on the incident that happened. Solving the issue should have a process, and with Lark, we are able to organize all the issues and the reviews that we are having, wherein we get to identify the issue first, then it would have a fruitful discussion through a topic group that we create, so everyone would have a voice. It's now simpler than before, and it's faster.
And the most beautiful tool is what we are using, which is Memorable. I read that every morning. It's like being in the 22 branches at the same time, realizing how things were, how the customer felt. Were they happy? Were they unsatisfied? I read those every morning. I read those for every branch, and I'm still amazed.
Before, we only use papers or logbooks. Sometimes it tends to be wet and blurry. With Lark, all our files can be seen in one app. You don't need to check on logbooks, papers, notebooks just for endorsements or memos.
We are now using Lark for messaging, video conferencing for online meetings, schedule management, email, cloud storage, and workflow applications. We are currently integrating Lark with our POS system that will help us facilitate the creation of sales dashboard for daily sales trend monitoring.
We started Mamalu out of a passion for food, a passion for quality, frustrations that there was no good restaurants nearby. So we did our first expansion in Novali, became a very big success. We did our second expansion in the UP town. My God, another success. So we said, hey, we must have the right recipe. The right recipe for food, the right recipe for customer service, and everything went from there.
Lark is a unified platform. that alone makes it very powerful and easy to use.
It's really complete. I've seen a lot of software in my life, believe me, and I'm very impressed.